Back in your lower grades, you learned about a shape called a square. Now in your grade 8, you are learning something about square numbers. But wait, are these two ideas somehow connected? Can numbers really have a relation with shapes? Let's uncover the hidden connection between square shapes and square numbers and see why these numbers are actually called square numbers. Come on, think. For that, let us recall the area of a square. What is actually area of a square? Area of a square is nothing but the total number of unit squares in the square shape, right? How do we find the area of a square when the side length is given? Let us take few squares and observe the area. Here we have few squares which are of length 1 unit and 2 units, 3 units and 4 units, right? Now we all know that the area of a square is nothing but the side multiplied by its side again, right? Means side square, right? So let us calculate the area for all these squares. So here for the first square, the area is side into side, which is 1 into 1 square unit, right? Now the same way for the second square, 2 units into 2 units, which is 4 square units. Now the same way here, 9 square units for 3 units side and 16 square units for 4 units side length, right? The square which has 4 units, that is 16 square units. Now here you can see the same number is multiplied by the number itself, right? The number is multiplied by number itself because the side and side both are same. Here we got some different numbers when we take 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? The sides of a square when we take 1 unit and 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit, the resultant areas are different numbers like 1 for 1 unit, 4 for 2 unit side, 9 for 3 unit side, 16 for 4 unit side. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, but whereas the answers are 1, 4, 9, 16. Between the 4 and 9 we didn't get any number. Between 9 and 16 we didn't get any number. Between 1 and 4 we didn't get any number. Means this 1, 4, 9, 16, these are different numbers, isn't it? When we multiply the number by itself, we are forming different numbers. Those numbers, if we arrange in the dot pattern, what do we get? Let's see. See here, 1. If 1 dot, so if I arrange, I can take it as 1 square. Now if I arrange 2 dots by 2 dots, means 4 dots if I arrange, I am getting a square. Now the result of 3 into 3, which is 3 rows and 3 columns, if I arrange them, I am getting the number 9, and the dot pattern is representing a square again, right? So 1, 4, 9. Between the numbers 4 and 9 we have 6. Suppose we take 6. Can I arrange this 6 in square pattern? No, we cannot arrange the 6 in square pattern. However we arrange, we will get a rectangular pattern. 2 by 3 or 3 by 2 rectangle, we get it. The same way, the next square will be, can you guess it, the next square? Here 1, 2, 3 side, then 4 units side we have. So 4 into 4, 16 units we get. Means the number we get is, next square will have the area 16 units and the next square number is 16. Now the same way we will get the next one as 5 into 5, 25. So between 16 and 25 we have some numbers. So let us take 18. Can we arrange 18 as a square? No, we cannot arrange 18 as a square. We can always arrange 18 as a rectangle. 6 into 3. So 6 rows and 3 columns, or 6 columns and 3 rows. 3 into 6 also we can arrange. 3 6 are 6 3s are 18. So 18 is not a square number. 6 is not a square number. Whereas 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, these are all square numbers. These numbers dot pattern can be arranged as square numbers. So, did you understand the relation between the square number and square pattern or square shape? So, only few numbers can be arranged in the square shape in their dot pattern. So, such numbers are called square numbers. Examples here are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Can you guess the next square? 6 6 are 36. Can you guess the next square after 36? 7 7 are 49. Now, can you list out the square numbers between 100 and 200? List it in the comment box. Let us see. I hope you understand the video. You like the video. Before ending, here is a small challenge for you. Have you tried solving the 100 lockers challenge from Ganita Prakash? If not, give it a try first and then watch my video 100 lockers challenge to understand the complete logic behind the solution.